Improving English speaking skills requires a combination of practice, exposure, and focused learning. Here are some effective tips to help you improve. 1. Practice speaking regularly. Speak daily. Make speaking a habit. Find a conversation partner, whether it's a friend, family member, or language exchange partner, and practice speaking in English daily. Use apps or online platforms. Platforms like HelloTalk, Tandem, or even participating in forums can help you interact with native speakers or other learners. 2. Expand vocabulary and phrases. Learn new words and phrases. Focus on learning commonly used vocabulary, idiomatic expressions, and phrases that you can incorporate into daily conversation. Use flashcards. Apps like Anki or Quizlet are great for building vocabulary through spaced repetition. 3. Listen actively. Watch English movies, TV shows, or podcasts. Try to listen carefully to how native speakers pronounce words, the tone they use, and their pace. This will help you improve pronunciation and understand the natural rhythm of conversation. Use subtitles. First, then try without. Start by watching content with English subtitles, and eventually try watching without them to improve your comprehension. 4. Imitate native speakers. Shadowing technique. Listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately, copying their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. This helps you sound more natural. Record yourself. Record your speaking practice, listen to it, and identify areas for improvement. 5. Improve pronunciation. Use pronunciation tools. Websites like Forvo or apps like Elsa Speak can help you practice and improve your pronunciation. Focus on difficult sounds. Work on sounds that are challenging for you. You can use minimal pair exercises to distinguish between similar sounds, e.g., ship versus sheep. 6. Join English-speaking communities. Attend English-speaking clubs. Many online communities offer conversation classes or English-speaking meetups where you can practice speaking. Join social media groups. Participate in groups or forums where English is spoken, such as Reddit, Quora, or Facebook groups. 7. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Be confident. Remember that making mistakes is part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to speak, even if you're unsure of the grammar or vocabulary. Focus on fluency, not perfection. It's more important to communicate your ideas fluently than to focus on perfect grammar. 8. Set clear goals. Set specific speaking goals. Whether it's mastering small talk, giving presentations, or speaking more confidently in public, having clear goals will keep you motivated. If you consistently apply these strategies, you will see improvement in your English speaking skills over time. Practice and exposure are key.